I'm Michael Grecco. I'm a professional photographer in Los Angeles, California, and I've been shooting pictures of professionals, movie stars, and models for over 20 years. During that time, I've had to learn and invent ways to store, retrieve, and archive my work using different hard drives, flash drives, and solid-state drives. This is one of those short videos I've made for howtoarchive.com that'll show you ways to increase your workflow and productivity. Today we are discussing storing your work on the cloud or remote hard drives for storage instead of using locally based internal or external hard drives. We all have large amounts of pictures, documents, music, and other data that need to be stored on hard drives. Where those hard drives are located can make a big difference to the accessibility and safety of your files. When it comes to how we store this information, we only really have two storage options: local or remote storage. In our video, Local versus Remote Storage, the biggest bang for the buck, we took a look at the differences between these two choices. The biggest difference between the two are accessibility and cost. It was pretty clear that local storage was the least expensive, and it would also give you the fastest transfer speeds, as well as providing you with the most control over your physical drives. With local storage, you can set up your own hard drive backup system and use products like the Pro Storage foam containers to store up to 24 of your hard drives when they're not in use. If you want instant access to your data anywhere you go, on any device, then you may still want to take a look at using remote storage, most commonly referred to as cloud storage. More and more people are using the cloud for storing their music, pictures, and videos. Most large companies use local storage solutions that act like a cloud for their employees by allowing them to connect to the corporate hard drives via secure network connection. Local drives can burn out and crash. Most people don't have good backup systems at home and therefore are more prone to losing data than the people who use cloud-based remote storage. There are a number of cloud-based solutions you can subscribe to for a monthly fee that will fit both your budget and remote storage needs. You can find really good cloud-based solutions by checking out the reviews online. Use search terms like cloud storage and remote storage solutions. If you're using local drives, you should always label your drives for archiving and storing. This makes it easy for you to identify during later use. You should also have a second set. Make sure that the cloud system you choose allows you to back up your USB or network drives. Some cloud solutions only allow you to back up your main computer that has subscribed to the cloud. If you have the resources, you can set up your own cloud system that would provide you with the same connectivity as the commercial versions you can use. There are a number of items you need to take into consideration when you set up your own cloud system. This process is covered in the video Creating Your Own Cloud Storage System and gives you the basic information and tips you need. The reason you would set up your own cloud-based local system, a system on your own network, is because the cloud is actually very slow. The problem with it is you have to transfer through the internet these very, very large files, large photographs, large video files, music, sound files. This adds up. If you've done a long day of shooting or a long day of filming, trying to transfer and back up that data every day is going to be a challenge. I don't actually use the cloud for that reason. I don't find it useful. If, on the other hand, you have small documents, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, the cloud might be good for you. But for a photographer and videographer, anyone dealing with a large amount of data, I do not find the cloud useful. Like I said, I store locally on hard drives. It's the cheapest and easiest way to go. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between remote drive storage or the cloud and local drive storage. For more information on archiving and preserving your files, please go to howtoarchive.com.